so that we stop hiring and then do what is necessary. Then you realize that the former governor destroyed the property of one Tony Kabaka. Of course, it was actuated by malice, and there was no good ground, so the court realized. So the claimant went to court. At first instance, even the chief judge delivered the judgment and gave him judgment against the state. And you know that government is a continuum. As you inherit all benefits, all assets, so you inherit all other things. You get what I'm saying? So the government, as defendant, appealed. Court of Appeal reaffirmed the decision of the Court of First Instance by the Justice Okpebholo. So that is the situation, that it was wrongly done, unfairly done, actuated by malice, and ought not to have been. So it needed, according to the court, to be restored back to the status quo, balloon before the war started. So that is it, that they should rebuild the hotel for him, and everything amounted to 914 million, and some fractions of thousand, about 28,000. And today, ESCO realized we have a leader who is law-abiding, who will not infringe on any. So decisions of the courts are to be, obeyed. And this is a signal to the judiciary that you have a governor who listens, who, follow dictates of the law. And once the law speaks, the governor says yes. So in line with the judgment of the court, both lower and even Court of Appeal, today ESCO approved that, yes, that sum the court has asked to be paid should be. So ESCO approved the sum today.
I know the present amount of what went down today is not the same. But for Okpebholo to approve it, the money cannot build my hotel, but it will go far in my life. Okpebholo, my excellency, may God continue to bless you. Whatever you lay your hands, my excellency, it will prosper. The hope of Commonwealth is judiciary. So there was no time, I was not having fear, because I know I bought my property with my sweat. And I didn't bought illegally. People that community that sold to me, they stand and they did a video. And I was having my document intact. So even the judge, a day to judgment, he went ahead and destroyed it because of politics. Okay, today now, how do you want me now to come and invest again in Benin? That phobia is there already. So I thank Okpebholo that restored my hope. It showed that this government are really there to restore the hope of Commonwealth. I thank the judiciary. I want to let the public know, and everybody, judiciary is the house of the Commonwealth. If you are being oppressed, judiciary is the only place that will fight for you. I didn't expect we win city governor when he was sitting as a governor. I win him. Even when he was on seat, I win in a pay. So judiciary is the house of the Commonwealth. So don't feed judiciary the way people say it. Me, I've ever relied on judiciary because I know what it takes. That is why I obey law.